how to convert AVI videos from an IP camera into MP4 so that I can read them because I cannot play them back, the video is not visible, and I cannot edit them. DaVinci is not reading it, CapCut is not reading it, Premiere Pro is not reading them. Okay, so to play and to edit those videos we have to use VLC player. That one is reading it. Go to a web browser, type in VLC and go to videolan.org and click on that button and download it. After you downloaded VLC, double click on it to install it. Click on the OK button, next, install. Wait a few moments until the player is installed. This will be used for playback and for conversion also. Leave that checked and click finish. Continue. Okay, now come here to media and go down to convert/save. Ctrl R is the hotkey. Convert/save. Now select all of your AVI files. Ctrl A to select all of them. Drag and drop those, in my case 1020 files, onto this window. It's not showing all of them, but they are there. Now come here to convert/save. Choose from this list of profiles the first one, H.264, MP3, MP4. Come here to this wrench icon to customize it. MP4 must be checked. Come here to video codec. Now check the second one also, keep original video track. And that audio codec, keep original audio track. Check that one also. And click on save. Click on the start button. And the videos are converted. As you can see, we have the AVI files and right away MP4 files appeared next to them. The conversion is pretty fast because we checked keep original video and keep original audio, but for some reason it's not always fast. Okay, let's right click on the taskbar, go to task manager, and here we can see the specifications of this machine. The GPU, that is the video card, is around 1/3 used. The processor is around 1/3 used. And the hard drive, which is an SSD, it's faster, around 20% used. Okay, so wait until all the files are converted and then you can play them back with VLC Media Player. And if I open, let's say, DaVinci, if I drag an AVI file onto the program, notice it's red, it's not accepting it. But if I drag an MP4 file, it is accepting it. The video is visible. Ctrl A to select all of them. It's at 1300 files, so it created around 300 out of 1000. So wait until it's finished and you can use your MP4 files.